failure.
Engine failure, dude, what?
ABCs, fucker. Where's that best place to land?
Inspector, oh, you want me to actually, like...
Yeah, dude.
Oh, my
Fuck
bad,
we're going right into this middle of nowhere.
November 108, Echo Delta, Josh, approach the Palm altimeter 2988, and are you going somewhere specific or just local flight following today?
2988, I'm just going staying in the Plexus area.
Fly me.
Cessna 8, Echo Delta, Rider Squawk 0457.
0457,
There you go. It's as easy as that. Why the fuck are you tripping? Then you can literally just come out here, buzz around, do your maneuvers, do whatever the fuck you want.
I overthink it.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
I'm so scared of saying, like, can you repeat that? Like, I don't know why.
It's their job. You know, so what if you're a bitch? You know, it's their job. Literally. You know what I mean?
Right.
Alright.
I think, like...
Engine failure.
Engine failure, dude, what? Let's see. I have a nice little road here.
ABCs, fucker.
What is that?
Airspeed.
Airspeed? Okay, yeah. No, we're fine.
What's our glide speed in this airplane? 68.
68, alright.
Alright, maintain your glide speed. Alright, so there's A. B, best place to land. Where's the best place to land?
Wow, we have so many options.
Alright, cool, we'll pick one.
I'll say... Isn't it always better just landing on the street?
Yeah, you could land on the street, you know.
So I'll just go there and land. I don't like fucking dirt.
Alright, sounds good. Just keep in mind you
And
got
then
telephone
communications,
poles.
just...
Okay, so
Just
ABCs, airspeed, best place to land, C, checklist.
Oh, checklist.
The checklist, how do we restart this engine?
Wow, dude, like...
This is a memory item, you should know this shit. Fuel selector set to both. Fuel shut-off valve is pushed in. Mixture's rich. Fuel pump is on. Magnetos to both if the propeller is windmilling. If the propeller is not windmilling, then you crank it. Alright? That's something that needs to be fucking instinctive.
Okay, I'll memorize that.
Alright, so we got that. A, B, C, D to be declared. Mayday, mayday, mayday. Skyhawk 108 Echo Delta. Engine failure. Executing an off-airport landing. Squawking 7700. The whole 9 yards.
And tell them where I'm gonna be landing, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, cool. You still got a little bit of time. Let's run an emergency, an off-airport landing checklist.
What?
An off-airport landing checklist.
Off airport... Oh, fuck.
Where's that best place to land?
Inspector... Oh, you want me to actually, like...
Yeah, dude.
Oh, my bad,
We're going right into this middle of nowhere.
My bad. I mean, there's this dirt road here.
Here you go.
I'll do that. I'll go there. First landings without engine power, seat backs.
Next at 571, contact SoCal approach 120.4. Have a good night.
We're good.
Good night, 120.4.
True idle cut off. Boop. Speed, let's see. So, fuel off, magneto switch off. Flaps are required, magneto switch, master switch to off.
Alright, go ahead and recover.
I passed. Not really.
Make it a climbing, climbing turn to the right. I'm not gonna lie, that was pretty garbage. You gotta study your emergencies.
Yeah, I know.
Let's head back to Edwards. So how do you let him know you're heading back to Edwards?
You see, that's the problem. Josh approach, number 108 Echo Delta, I would like to return.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. Josh approach, 108 Echo Delta, returning to Edwards via the Lancaster arrival. That's it.
Lancaster arrival.
Yeah, that's it.
Alright.
How do we get home?
Good question. Nope. I'm just gonna start heading that way. Hey! That way. Somewhere that way.
Do you see Lancaster Boulevard?
No.
Do you see South Base?
I can see the base.
Okay.
I can figure it out after that.
What about Southgate? Can you see Southgate?
Oh, no, I don't see it.
Look right off your wing. You see a road that just goes straight out there?
That one?
Yeah. Why don't you follow it? Not this dirt road. Look at that intersection right there.
Oh, I think I see it.
Okay, you see that intersection right there? Follow that road all the way north.
Yeah, I see it. That one, right?
Yeah.
That one? Okay.
Yeah. What are you gonna tell Joshua?
Ben?
Yeah.
Oh, hey, sorry.
Before you enter in that restricted, definitely, which you're about 3 miles away from.
Would like to return back to Edwards via Lancaster.
There you go.
Okay.
Fisher approach November 108 Echo Delta. Would like to return back to Edwards via Lancaster arrival.
Cessna Delta, roger that, then stand by, switch to tower.
Okay, so can I turn around? Should I do?
Nah, you can keep going.
Okay.
You're fine. What altitude do we need to be at?
2800.
Alright, well, let's get there.